we're gonna add two identities, okay? Here's how we're gonna do this. All right, so we know that the sine of 90 degrees, we said earlier, is equal to what? 1 from the unit circle, right? Let me ask you this. What's gonna happen from here if I go a revolution? Is it gonna change my location? No, I'm gonna land there. So what's one revolution counterclockwise from 90? What angle is that? No, I'm adding 360 to 90, 450. So if I do 90 plus 360, which is your 450, what answer should I get? Let's see real quick. Can you type it in? Should still get 1. All right. All right. What if I went 5 revolutions clockwise from here? I'm subtracting 360 how many times? 5. So if I did sine of 90 minus 5 times 360, type that in. What do we get? We'll still get 1. Okay. All right, let's try another angle that we know. Sine of 30 degrees we know is what? Hopefully by now you're memorizing this one. 1/2, very good. So if I do sine of 30 degrees plus 4 revolutions, should I still get 1/2? What's the thinking behind that? You're ending up at the same spot. Doesn't matter. So the rule is, if we do sine of an angle plus or minus multiples of 360, it should equal to our original angle, sine of our original angle. The other way you can write this is sine of an angle plus or minus 2 pi. Why am I using 2 pi? For radians. 2 pi is 1 revolution. That equals to sine of theta. And it works for cosine. So cosine of theta plus or minus 360n, that equals to cosine theta. Now, so if I can do sine and cosine, then do I know secant and cosecant? Are those going to follow suit? Yeah, I'm not going to write those out because you just flip to get secant and cosecant. Now, what about tangent? Tangent works a little different. Let's do, we know 45, right? Do you remember what tangent of 45 degrees is? 1. Okay, that one's 1. So let's do tangent of 225. Let's see what you get. What do you get? 1. Now tangent works a little different because of the plus and the minus. You remember all students take calculus? See, so 45 is here and 225 is here. So it actually is more frequent. Every 180 degrees it repeats. So for tangent, the formula would be tangent of theta plus or minus not 360n, but I would do 180n. And the n just means multiples of that. That equals to tangent theta. And I think you'll find those useful. And then what's the radian equivalent? You wouldn't put 180 in there, you would put what? Pi. Yeah. That was it. That's all I wanted to add. I just call these the coterminal identities, I guess, but I guess that's not really coterminal, is it? So I don't really have a name. But they're just good. Okay. You can put miscellaneous identities. Okay.